Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda TRX 250 Recon. This is their lightweight, adult-sized quad, 250 cc's, electric start, automatic clutch, two-wheel drive, beautiful conditions, comes with the front and rear racks. Come on by and get your light-duty Honda TRX 250 Recon for just $42.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. This also has shaft drive, so you don't have a chain to worry about. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.